I'm Harry Malley, Product Manager for LiuGong Machinery Europe. The 995 is our first large excavator model in the F-Series range. It's our flagship model and it is a product we're really proud of, the development to launch our new F-Series with. It's been fitted with a 18.1 litre Perkins engine. The Perkins engine delivers 447 kilowatts of gross power, and that's coupled to a brand new state-of-the-art Kawasaki full electro-hydraulic system from the joystick to the valve block and to the pump, and that is making it into a really productive, efficient and highly controllable machine, in addition to LiuGong's trusted and renowned ability for having a tough product for this tough world which machines operate in. The bucket we have fitted here is a 5.6 metre cubed heavy duty rock bucket. It's supplied directly with the machine from China factory. It's got a really heavy duty structure to it, particularly with this 100mm thick hard ox 400 toe plate, which is ideal for ripping through that really hard, arduous material. This particular machine has got the shorter dipper, the ME stick, 2.9 metres. Once again, that really helps with that advanced tear out power of 497 kilonewtons for maximum ripping force when it's in tough ground. The most important feature with this machine is the cabin, and the F-Series range, this 995, has been designed for the operator in mind. As you can see here, there's a huge amount of space in the cabin for leg room, and also the comfort in the seat as well, with the seat mounted joysticks moving with the operator in a fully suspended fashion to just minimize that amount of vibration gets through to the joystick handles. Looking around the cabin, visibility is a premium on this product, with real large glass spaces and a low cut line to this right hand side, which is great for being able to look across the side with your own eyes rather than just relying on the camera systems. To the right of the operator is the new control panel. It's a very intuitive system for going through the display, which is really quick to operate and to select the features you need, such as the radio and the air conditioning as well, all to be right where the operator wants them. And not only can you control it from there, you can also move it with the touchscreen as well, which is excellent for the operator to have that choice of how he wants to use the machine. Up on the side of the machine here, we've got a large 500mm wide access step to assist the operator in getting around the machine safely. It is equipped with grab rails all along the top, so as you are moving around the machine, you can be fully safe and supported when accessing the key components. Inside the hydraulic pump bay here, we've got the Kawasaki twin hydraulic pump system. Each pump delivers 504 litres each, so that's over 1,000 litres per minute in hydraulic flow, and a maximum pressure of 373 bar, making this an excellent machine, particularly for the demolition environment and for operating those large tools. Also inside this bay, being the DM machine, it's fitted with the rotation circuit with a second pump here, and is also fitted with reversing fans as well. So the second hydraulic pump in here as well can also put the fans into reverse speed and blow any debris away from the cooling pack, making it stay in its absolute optimum operating state. Serviceability on these machines is very important, and for the operator to be able to do his daily maintenance in a quick and easy fashion is a number one priority for LiuGong. Accessing the upper structure of this machine is very safe and simple. We're using this side door here to be able to access through the walkway. Once we're inside the walkway here, accessing to the large 18.1 litre Perkins engine There's also 2 steps to be able to get down into that environment as well, to be able to check the coolant and the engine oil level as well. This machine has been tested and developed in the market in China, and one of the core applications for our development program has been in the coal mining sector, particularly very high dust hazardous applications for the machine to operate in. And for this product, this first machine in the UK, it is the first one outside of China, but it will be going into a tough demolition setting. And to ensure the machine can cope with that environment and stay in its optimal working condition, there is a number of features fitted to it to help the operator and owner of the machine. One of those features being the auto lube system to keep the pins and the greasing at the right amount of lubricity, but also these 2 large oil bath air cleaners on the top to help remove those large dust particles which are coming in through the air system and take those away. But then also following below that, we've got these 2 large Donaldson standard air filters, which once again help to manage those high dust applications, but also extend the service period in between those changing intervals. Strength in the structure of this machine is really important, particularly with the applications this machine will be going into. And as you can see here, this large cast section at the base of the boom and also at the nose of the boom as well help to give that high rigidity and reduced welding time when they're building the boom to help give it the maximum torsional strength to cope with the high demands where this machine is going to face. The product is also fitted with a new feature for LiuGong products, the floating boom system. And once again, when using a breaker or when you're cleaning up on a hard surface or doing a deep muck shift, it allows the boom to float naturally under its own weight, which helps to, if you're in a braking application, reduce the wear on the tool, but also to help reduce the amount of vibration coming back through the product and in through the structures. But once again, helps with the longevity and the durability of the product. So the 995 we have here is in the DM spec, the demolition model, and that means that this product is fitting with the heavier 14.8 ton counterweight and plastered here with these fantastic decals, which are high visibility so it can be seen on site and also show off the customer's branding really well. Some other features of the DM spec is it's got the dual way auxiliary high flow lines, the rotation pipe work and the drain line as well, so fully suited and booted with all hydraulic options. And it also comes with the heavy duty belly guards and the bucket cylinder guard and tipping link guard as well, just to make sure that when it is in the danger zone of the application, right where the machine is munching away at something, it's got that protection for the key areas of the components.